We are going to do a styrofoam print, and we're going to base this, one of the pieces here, on Tibetan prayer flags. Tibetan prayer flags are very beautiful, like little flapping pieces of fabric in the wind that carry positive wishes onto the people traveling around. They are non-denominational, so the word prayer is actually closer probably to mantra or other type of well-wishing that will travel to the people traveling below. It's not to go up to a god or a being. It's for showering the people as they're walking along underneath. We're going to use the styrofoam plate printing method, and this is a really quick picture of what that process looks like. Keep in mind that we're going to be using text and that you have to put your text backwards. And I'm going to show you a method on how to do that in a short bit. The other thing you have to keep in mind is the ink color and the base color. They have to have a high contrast. So using something like black ink on light colors or white inks on dark colors will work best. What you're going to do is find an art quote or make up your own. You can look online and Google art quotes, or you can just come up with a nice saying that you are going to then depict in a visually appealing way. Once you get this drawn onto a piece of paper, then we're going to transfer that onto a styrofoam print plate.